How do you buy a roof from Roofle? There are essentially 3 ways you can choose your roof replacement. With Roofle, you don't have to wait a second longer. No more searching out the perfect contractor and waiting days or even weeks for a quote. Just go directly to our homepage and start entering your address. Our technology will likely recognize it before you're done typing. On the next screen, you will notice Roofle has identified your house with a large orange-colored polygon. You can click Next, or you can redraw the shape of your home using our tool easily. Keep in mind, our measurements are very accurate, and every time you order a roof, our customer experience managers verify the measurement accuracy. You're practically there. All you need to do is select the slope that most closely resembles your own. Is it a flat roof? Is it a shallow roof, medium, or is it steep? Once you click Next, the magic happens and your quote is just ready for you. The top number shown is based on one of our many financing plans with the total cost shown directly below that number. Go ahead, give it a try right now. Do you have any idea of how many products are available to you and the differences between them all? Roofle has over 800 different product variations from top roofing product manufacturers. We're talking about CertainTeed, Owens Corning, GAF, Atlas, F-Wave, Decra, Edco, Malarkey, Boral, IKO, Tamco. I'm out of breath. I'm back. But this isn't just your normal catalog. No, this catalog is filled with educational videos and images and warranty descriptions and other comparable roofing products. And let's not forget, if you entered your address, they all have a price tag. And have you ever wondered what your dream roof would be? Let Roofle be your guide with our Roof Matcher feature, because you obviously know what's important to you, you just don't know what type of roof that is. Using simple logic, our software will walk you right up to your new roof. Our software considers the roofing features that are most important to you, such as style, warranty, storm resistance, and how quickly it can be installed, and obviously overall popularity. We then take into account your roofing budget, your preferred material, the current color of your roof, and heck, even your siding. In less than 15 seconds, we match you to a roof that meets all of your very specific needs. Once you've made the decision to order a specific roof, click Order This Roof, and we will easily walk you through what happens next. It's a 3-step process from there. First, book a call or virtual meeting to discuss your roof order. Second, apply for financing and discuss payment options. And third, book your project. So let's dive into what this process looks like. At Roofle, we are committed to value and quality just as much as we're committed to innovation, which is why we always have a customer experience manager verify the measurements of your roof and product availability. Booking a time to discuss your options with our customer experience manager is simple, and under no circumstances is this a traditional sales call. The entire process typically takes less than 15 minutes. Why? Because from the moment you jump into a conversation, you already have the detailed quote explaining exactly what you'd be ordering. There is no need to do anything at this point, because our CXM will call you at the exact time you selected to chat. Throughout the entire course of the call, our customer experience managers have been trained to answer your questions and provide recommendations and walk you through the next steps if you choose. Keep it in mind, this is not a sales call. Our CXM will simply ask you what you would like to do next. We'll always resort to being a resource for you, even in the event you don't choose us for your roof replacement. How's that? Our CXM will walk you seamlessly through our electronic agreement, answering all of your questions regarding the installation line items, and explaining our financing and payment options to you simply, giving you complete control over the sales process. In just a matter of a few short minutes, you'll be on your way to having your roof replaced on your own terms. Why do we do it this way? Well, that's a 2-part answer. Here at Roofle, we believe that our customers do not want to be sold anything. They would much rather prefer to buy. The second answer is, we believe this is a revolutionary way to purchase a roof. A roofing revolution, if you will, as it was designed to be simple, easy, and effective. This is roofing made simple. This is Roofle. To learn more, visit roofle.com.